I spent 10 years of my life learning color grading. As I accumulated knowledge, I also accumulated frustration. No matter how good you are, it will always take a long time to get to a result, because the tools are built for precision, not for efficiency. Once you've mastered all of them, you feel more like a scientist than what you're supposed to be, which is an artist. I started as a filmmaker, color grading my own projects. People liked my work, so they started hiring me as a colorist. After enough projects, I thought, what if there was a tool that could help new creators, filmmakers, colorists get amazing results in just a few seconds? So instead of starting from nothing, you would start from 80% of the final look and only focus on the last 20%, which is the final touches, the details. I took every technique I learned or built myself over those years, and I simplified them into one interface with sliders. The idea was to reinvent the classics: contrast, saturation, white balance. It had to be smarter and more modern. So I designed new algorithms specifically for shift. When I started shooting, everyone told me the same thing. Shoot in log is better, but no one mentioned the fact that the image will be completely gray. That image needs color grading, and that's where it always got complicated. You can use a LUT, but then you're not using the full potential of your footage. This first step could be automated, so I made sure Shift could do it for me. I built it so that when you open a clip, it detects the camera and handles the log conversion automatically. The session always starts with an idea or reference, so that's where I wanted the workflow to begin. I built a library of presets, so you can write a reference, a movie that inspires you, or describe the project that you're working on, and you will get recommended presets you can save and try directly. But unlike LUTs, these presets adapt to the signal of each clip across the edit. When you apply one, it analyzes and corrects the signal for better accuracy. And you keep full control over every adjustment that the preset makes. The slider stays calibrated to the signal underneath. This is the technology I designed called Smart Slider. Since the first version of Shift released 2 years ago, I've been collaborating with EIZO to design it with the best color accuracy. The idea was to build something completely new, something that doesn't feel like anything else. The technical side is handled, which means that you only focus on the art. This is what I believe in. And now, I'm not the only one.